In this video, we'll be covering the difference between simple interest and compound interest. We'll be really covering the basics of that. For suppose you're given that Tom wants to invest an amount of 800 Rand. This is called the principal amount. He wants to invest it at an interest of 10%. I will be 10%. And we know that in our formula, we're going to substitute interest as 10 over 100, which will be 0.1. Interest given as percentage is always really converted by dividing it by 100. Then we're told that he wants to save this amount of money for over a period of 4 years. And they're asking, should Tom invest his money in a simple or compound interest? That's a very interesting question. Simple or compound interest? How do we go about it? We use the simple interest formula given by A is equals to P 1 plus interest times the number of years. That will be our simple interest formula. Now our compound interest formula will be A P 1 plus I to the power of N. So we just need to substitute these values into our equations. Amount accumulates to is A is equal to the principal amount 801 plus our interest. Remember, interest, we divided it by 100. We substitute it as 0.1 times the number of years, which is 4. And then the total value of that should give us 1,120 using simple interest. Let's compare that with what we'll get if we using compound interest. A is equals to the principal amount 801 plus interest 0.1 the power of 4. So this amount is invested over 4 years. And we get the total of, using our calculator, 1,171.28. So I think you can clearly see that simple interest 1,120, 1,171, which is fairly higher. So I'd really advise Tom to really go with the compound interest. And as a rule of thumb, always know compound interest always benefits in the long term. Simple interest is a straight line. So if you think of simple interest as a consistent straight line, and then you view compound interest as an exponential line. And actually life is more like simple interest. Things become better with time and they grow with compound.